What's up, everybody? Matt Maran here, and this is the 2020 Cadillac CT5, which is all new and replaces the CTS, but also is kind of also replacing the ATS in a way. So this is on the Alpha platform, but is adapted, so it's different. The wheelbase is now a couple inches longer than the CTS was, but the overall vehicle length is now a couple inches shorter than the CTS. So that's why it's kind of in between the CTS and the ATS. It's supposed to compete with the 3 Series, Audi A4, Mercedes C-Class, all that type of stuff, but it looks fantastic to me. I really like the way they designed this, and the interior is nice too. It gets a 10-inch touchscreen with a rotary knob as well, that's similar to the CT6, and all the interior bits look pretty similar to the CT6. Also, this is going to be the first Cadillac outside of the CT6 to get Super Cruise, although it's not going to be available till next year, they're saying for it. The first CT5s will be available to order this fall, so I'm guessing like maybe 6 months or so after they are hitting dealer lots, you'll be able to order one with Super Cruise, and so that's cool. Another nice feature from the CT6 that's going to be available are heated, cooled, and massaging front seats. So you're going to have your choice of plenty of luxury in this if you want. Mechanically, there's going to be 2 engines available right now, and both are available with either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. So the base engine is a 2-liter turbo 4 from the XT4, which does 237 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. Then there's the 3-liter twin-turbo V6 that you see in the CT6, although it's detuned from the CT6 and only does 335 horsepower here instead of 404 like it does in the CT6. But you do get the same 400 pound-feet of torque, which is going to be pretty impressive for a vehicle that's smaller than the CT6 and lighter. Both engines are going to be coming only with a 10-speed automatic, and so there's rumors of a V version coming as well with the Blackwing twin-turbo V8 from the CT6V eventually, but it might be another year or two away. Weight is similar to the old CTS, although Cadillac only gave us the weight for the 4-cylinder version, but that's going to be 3,660 pounds, and of course the V6 one will be more expensive, and all-wheel drive is going to be a little bit heavier and more expensive as well. Suspension gets ZF dampers. There isn't any mention of magnetic ride control yet, but I'm sure that'll be coming. Maybe that'll be for the V version or something. But in the meantime here, it's going to be available in sport and luxury trims, and there's like premium luxury to step up to as well. And so the sport trim gets less bright work, and you can see the smoked taillights and stuff over the red ones that you see on the luxury trim there. And so they didn't announce any pricing yet for these, but they said it's going to be very competitive with the German competition. So figure 3 Series type of pricing, maybe a little bit less. But it sounds like a very promising combo to me, and I love the way the CTS and the ATS handled, and so I'm excited to drive this. If you have the newer looks and interior, a little bit better space, and a little bit more power, and then you have that all in this package, it should be quite the vehicle. So we'll have to wait and see. But anyway, that is the 2020 Cadillac CT5. Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.